What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like over the past few days we have had that pretty big overextension to the downside. Ever since Polygon's lost this trend line, it's been holding for a good while here. You can see, if we zoom out a bit, so you can see this overall move. We had this big pennant formation we talked about, ad nauseum really for the past 4 or 5 months. Basically coiling up. We got the breakout in the back test. We continue to the upside, but obviously the wider market finally getting the better of Polygon here, and we did finally lose this support that we have been holding here for a long time. You can see ever since down here around, what was this, 30, 40, 50 cents, we come down here in the crash, we're at 62 cents, we get the bounce here, and you can see every single time that we've come down to that level, we have found support. The last time that we did see ourselves get a bounce here, every single time, obviously we pulled the Fibonacci here from the previous all-time high of 266 down to this low here at around the 0.62 of that move, and you can see these Fibonacci levels working really nicely here and heading to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows for a good while, weren't we? But you can see after we made that all-time high, we actually came down, retested, and then got stuck under resistance and rolled over, as we said, because of the wider market looking bearish and obviously dragging Polygon to the downside, which has clearly happened here. And we did finally get that rollover from this support here at the 0.78. We rolled over to the 618 Fibonacci, and then the overextension down to the 0.50, making a swing low here at around, what is this, 132. We got the massive overextension in this area, getting very oversold. As we said, last time we were this oversold was down here at 62 cents. We got that low at around 130 level and got the bounce. And over the past few days, we have seen Bitcoin having a bit of a renaissance to the upside, obviously dragging Polygon up to the upside as well, which is good to see. And you can see here we're kind of forming that curved bottom on the 618, which is obviously really good to see in our opinion. It's good to see, coming down here, getting the overextension, but coming back up above the Fibonacci levels and them getting respected. It's really important for technical structure on the chart for the Fibonacci levels to be respected, because once the Fibs start getting, rolled over in a big way, like they potentially were being rolled over here, this one got rolled over, almost rolled over the 0.50 before we got the bounce. Obviously, this is a bit of a concern for the market continuing to capitulate to the downside. So obviously, Bitcoin's been dragging Polygon down in the short term, as we can see here. But in our opinion, we're probably going to be seeing Polygon have a very big 2022, probably heading up to 50 billion, maybe 100 billion in market cap, into that $5 to $10 region for a price target that we've been talking about for a long time. This is a project that is, doing exceptionally well. One of the biggest, if not the biggest Ethereum project that we have seen, in terms of an alternate smart contract platform. We've obviously seen how well Solana and Avalanche have been doing recently. They've also obviously been falling quite a lot in value as well. But Polygon was obviously the first to to basically have a nice run in the market, aside from Ethereum. And we do think that once it does start to flesh its DeFi out even more, it's probably going to go on a decent run, especially with the new metaverse play that the whole Polygon Foundation is looking at getting into. So before we do short-term price predictions, we do just want to direct everyone's attention to the free Discord in the description. You can go sign up. It takes like 10 seconds, and we'd really appreciate seeing you in there. We've got all kinds of, amazing content being posted there every single day. We basically condense all our content into our Discord. We've got daily updates, daily crypto news, daily technical analysis being posted in there. We've got a new passive income channel where everyone's discussing their potential passive income plays. There's a lot of great people in the community. It's been growing like 300 or 400 members in the past week, which is amazing to see. And it's basically a really good place to hang out. We've got memes in there as well, so make sure to go check it out. It's totally free, and it'll take like 10 seconds to sign up. We'll approve you within half an hour, and then you can get involved in the community and look at all the channels and all the content. And if you do want to get, a bit of an extra edge on the market, you can sign up to our private Discord. via our Patreon to support the channel. We're posting even more content there, alpha on super risky potential, 100,000x projects, and also, daily signals for Bitcoin, our own personal moves in the market, etc, etc. So go check all of that out. We could do short-term price predictions then. As you can see here, Polygon potentially loading on the hourly time frame, an inverse head and shoulders like this. If we came down, retested the 618 at that level at around 152 and got the bounce, we could see ourselves coming back up towards that 078 at 195 to $2 area. Obviously, if we roll over and lose the 618, we'll be coming down towards that swing low at 130. And as we said earlier, we do think Polygon a really top quality project, most likely going to be doing good things in 2022. They've got a lot of things in the works, and in our opinion, considering we're still making higher highs and higher lows here on our macro structure, we could potentially be looking at Polygon heading up towards that $5 to $10 region. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and a 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in